In order to find effects and frames and so on and so forth for the wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or Z Flip 7 FE, then all you have to do is simply go to the settings. Now we're gonna scroll down and choose wallpaper and style. And you want to make sure that you have a wallpaper that actually allows you to use different effects. So most of these wallpapers that we have available in this area do not really allow you to apply these effects. But for example, if you choose your own image, your own photo as a wallpaper, then in that case you should be able to find these effects over here at the bottom once you see this preview of the wallpaper. Of course, we can switch between the lock screen and home screen. And essentially you can use either suggest option over here in order to get some suggestions from the phone, how you can customize your photo, which effects you can use. As you can see, we have some examples. Besides that, we can also open the gallery in order to change the wallpaper. We can also go to frame in order to choose one of these frame options. You can also go to color in order to choose a different color over here. And if you want to actually remove the frame, we're going to go back and select this one over here, this first option. And in effects, you should be able to find the original effects, so I mean no effects at all. There is the blur, grayscale, colors, and dark, so you can adjust these colors over here. And that's pretty much it. Once you are done with these changes, press done in the top right corner in order to apply these changes. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.